Hi, my name is Cody Cornelius. I'm a facilities maintenance tech here at Webco Industries. We are the handyman of Webco. If there's anyone that needs something done, we're the person they call. We get to work at 7 o'clock in the morning. We usually have a brief 30-minute long morning meeting of how the day is going to go, and then we jump in. We come over here, paint, fix drywall, and then during the summer we cut grass. We do a lot of limb cleanup. We'll do some hedge trimming, a lot of weed eating, edging. We all have different areas that we're best in, knowing a lot of different things and different tasks. That's going to help you through this job a lot. It's good to have trust in your team. A lot of jobs and tasks that we do are big, so we're working together as a team to complete the task. If I'm on one side of a room and somebody's on the other, I want to trust that they're working, so that we can get the job done at its highest quality and, best time, valuing time. Here at Webco, the safety has stood out to me. I've never really seen safety beat down as much as it is here. We do weekly toolboxes, and we have some monthly absorb training that we do. And I think that because they take safety so seriously, it adds a lot of value to the company.